Well, a debate over masks in Gallatin County turned into a virtual battle today as public comment took nearly 6 hours. The Gallatin City County Health Board hearing from the public after an angry crowd shut down the first attempt last week. MTN's Cody Boyer sat in on the entire meeting and tells us what happened.
I'm extremely disappointed in all of our leaders for overreaching.
Now in two ways, face coverings are required in specific indoor public locations by Governor Steve Bullock's statewide directive and by a not unanimous vote by the Gallatin City County Board of Health. For the first hour, Health Officer Matt Kelly addressed the room and dozens of others listening online.
I've heard the term criminal negligence. I've heard worse things that I won't mention here.
From new surveillance testing for asymptomatic cases at MSU to the other vote which passed, extending self-isolation for close contacts or confirmed cases, Kelly walked us through slides, eventually leading to item number 1, face coverings.
This virus has killed 141,000 Americans. Some may seek to minimize or marginalize that fact. I will not.
Seth Walk, MSU Associate Professor of Microbiology and Immunology, detailed the science behind masks, how they stop virus-carrying droplets from spreading. But when the microphone opened for public comment, it stayed that way for hours.
Matt Kelly stated there are documented cases of asymptomatic transmission. Where is your evidence? You have failed as a board of health. There are studies you need to take a look at.
The majority of more than 40 were against masks. That included Board of Health member Joe Skinner after public comment.
I think voting to pass this local rule will only drive a wedge further into the division.
Several, like Elizabeth Wolf, were for.
I understand that not everybody can wear one. There are allowances for that, but that doesn't mean that the mass majority should not be wearing them.
Chair Becky Frank says more than 2,000 public comments came by email, adding most supported masks, including having kids K through 12 wear them. A divided line that Kelly says has become a difficult topic for both sides.
I am worried about our ability to do it. There are not very many options.
In Gallatin County, Cody Boyer, MTN News.
And Kelly says it was also made clear that whether this passed or not, Governor Bullock's order is still in effect. The board also voted to extend the self-isolation period for those infected or close contacts by 90 days.